Do you have a hard to grow area, a place where nothing else really will survive? Is it shady? Is it shallow soil? Look no further than lungwort. Now look at this beautiful, beautiful foliage, these wonderful little flowers here. Now this is growing on, literally, this is a stone wall, okay? This is a stone wall that's been here for probably almost 100 years, but there's no more than maybe 3 to 4 inches of soil. In this little area here, I made a little planter, if you will, and this is a pretty shady little spot. It stays relatively moist back here, and this lungwort, it is thriving. So if you have a spot that you just can't grow anything else in, maybe consider growing this. This plant, I don't water it, I don't fertilize it, I don't do anything for that. And it is doing fantastic here early spring here on the hillside, and it is spreading a little bit, so I'll need to prune this other plants around it, but it is fantastic. I think last year it didn't really bloom, maybe one. It has actually thrived. It is multiplied. You can tell this is a spreading plant, little clump right here. This was one little stem. Basically, I bought online from a retailer, and it's just had one little, maybe 2 or 3 leaves on it, one little stem, and over 3 years, this is what it's come out to. It's probably at least a foot in diameter of this little clump right here. Fantastic. As far as the flowers go, no noticeable scent. Okay, so there's not really a fragrant element to this. However, just look how beautiful those flowers are. A little purple inside of the flower. Fantastic. So yeah, if you have a spot where you can't grow anything else, try to grow this beautiful perennial lungwort.